Hello, word enthusiasts. Welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of language with the word central. It's a B1 level adjective, meaning in the middle or most important. So, when we say something is central, it means it's either physically located in the middle of something or that it's the most important part of something. It's like the heart of the matter. Let's look at some synonyms. We could use the word core. For example, the core of the problem is lack of funding. Another synonym is key, as in, the key factor in their success was hard work. Now for antonyms. We can use peripheral, which means on the edge. The village is located in a peripheral area. Another antonym is minor, as in, that's a minor issue. Let's focus on the main problem. In everyday life, you might hear someone say, the shopping center is central to the city, meaning it's easily accessible to everyone, or family is central to my life, showing its importance. You might say the central idea of the book is to fight for what you believe, or that's a central argument for why we should change our policy, or the kitchen is central in this house, it's where everyone gathers. We've learned that central means either the middle or the most important thing. We explored its synonyms core and key and its antonyms peripheral and minor. We see how it's used in our daily lives. Thanks for joining me today, Word Explorers. Please subscribe to this podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other language enthusiasts find us. Don't forget to create your own sentence about central and share it as a comment under the video.